Friends, welcome to Danu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Here in this module, third question, evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. They are already given that x is equals to what? Log 3 base 2 and y will be equal to log 5 base 2. We have to write all these given questions in the format of log 3 and 2 log 5 base 2 format. So first one, what is that? So let's going to take log 15 base 2. So we can write log 15 as in the format of log 3 into 5. Can you write like this or not? Yes, 3 15s are. Then what is the thing here? So we need to know the formula of log AB. Let's take log A base x will be equal to log A base x plus log B base x. So this is the format. Let's going to write this one. So log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. So according to that, given that, so this one log 3 base 2 will be x and log 5 base 2 will be x plus y. So what you can write it here is log 15 base 2 will be equal to x plus y. So this is the value. Let's take another one. The second question will be equal to, let's write it log 7.5 by 2. So as we know, x is equals to, what is that? X is equals to log 3 base 2 and y will be equal to log 5 base 2. So 7.5 you can write, this one is 75 by 10. Can we write like this or not? Yes. So 2 with the what we can take 5 2s are 5 2s are 10, then 5 1s are, then 5 5s are. So 15 by 2. So what you can write it here 15 by 2 base 2. So this is the value. So we can write like this. Based on this log, what you can take a by b base x will be equal to log a base x minus log b base x. So this is the value. Let's going to write this one as it is. That is log 15 base 2 minus log, that is b, right, base 2. So log a base a. So log a base a is always 1. So it's always 1. So you can write log 15 base 2 minus 1. So let's move on to this. Again, as usual, in the previous one we have written log 15 base 10. In the first question we told that log 3 into 5, then base 2 minus 1. You can write it in the format. So these are all the log 3 base 2 plus log 3. As I told in the previous one, it is the product, means we will go into addition. So log 5 base 2 minus 1. So log 3 base 2 is x plus y minus 1. So what is this? Therefore log 7.5 base 2 is x plus y minus 1. Then let's going to take third one. So what is that third one here is log 60 base 2. So log 60 base 2. So 60 you need to write it in the format of any value, that is, so 60 going to divide with prime numbers, or you can go with, so 3 2s are, then 4 5s are. So it is a mixed with 4 5 3. Why? Because here bases are 2 is there and 3 5 is there. For that we are mixed with that. So 60 will be equal to 3 into 4 into 5. It's not compulsory with the primes. No need of primes. So you can write like log 3 into 4 into 5 base 2. You can write like this. So based on this, what is the formula of log x y z base a? This one we can write it log x base a plus log y base a plus log z base a. So these are the formula. So let's going to expand this. Log 3 base 2 plus log 4 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. So why we have taken here 5 and 3? In order to get like this. So based on this, this one will be. So this is x plus log 4 base 2 plus y. So we are written like this. Then move on to log 4, you can write it in the format of 2 square. So what is the formula of this? So x log a base a, you can write it in the format of log a power x base a. So this is the formula. So let's going to take this one as x plus log 2 square base 2 plus y. So log 2 square you can write it 2 into log 2 base 2. So this 2 we are taken here based on this formula plus y. So based on this, x plus 2 into 1 plus y. So how 2 into 1 here? So what formula we are used here? So log a base a will be equal to, since log a base a will be equal to 1, based on this 2 will be there, then x plus y plus 2. So this is the x plus y plus 2, that is the formula. Then that is the value of this. Next, last one, what is that? So So let's going to take last one 6750. So log 2 6750, that is 6750 base 2. So let's going to start with this prime factorizations. So 2 3s are, then again 7 is there, 2 3s are, then 1 will be 3 7s are 14, then 2 5s are. Then what is that? Then is that will be go with 3? Yes, it is go with 3. So 3 1s are, then 3 1s are, then 3 2s are, then 3 5s are. Is that go with again 3? Yes. So 3 3s are 9, then 2 27s are, then 5s are 3 75. Let's move on to the 3 is not possible, then go with 5. So 5 7s are 35, then 5 5s are. Then again 5 1s are, then 5 5s are. So 7. So 375 is that with so what we will get it here is, so 5 7s are 35, 2 will be 5 5s are, then again go with 5. So 5 1s are 5, then 2 will be 5 5s are. Then what you will get again? 5 3s are. So let's write this one as log 6750. How you can write it? So let's write 6750 base 2. 6750 you can write it in the format of 2 into 3 into 3 into 1 more 3, then 5 into 5 into 5. So 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube. So you can write like this. So log 6750 base 2 will be equal to log 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube base 2. So what is the formula? You can get it here. The formula will be equal to log xyz, as I told, log xyz. So what formula we can use? So log xyz base a will be equal to, so log x base a plus log y base a plus log z base a. So how many products we can extend like that? So log, so we can extend like log 2 base 2 plus log 3 cube base 2 plus log 5 cube base 2. So log a base a, what is that? Log a base a will be equal to 1. So for this 1, then we can write one more formula. What is that formula here is x log a, that will be equal to log a power x, then a. So this is the right side, then left side you can write 3 into log 3 base 2 plus 3 into log 5 base 2. So this is 1 plus 3 into, this is the x, then this is 3 into y. So finally, final statement what you can say here is, the statement will be 3x plus 3y plus 1. So what is that? So what is the formula here? So let's move on to this. So let's move on this. Log 6750 base 2 will be equal to 1 plus 3x plus 3y. That is the answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please try to share with your friends and family members.